Ever wondered how Netflix predicts what you'll watch next? Or how Amazon knows what you want before you even search for it? That's the power of data science and analytics, and in 2025, it's one of the highest paying skills you can learn. Today, I'll break down what data science really is, why it pays so much, the exact skills you need to learn, and how you can start, even if you have zero experience. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn this skill into a $120K plus career. In simple terms, data science is about collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to find patterns and make decisions. It's the bridge between raw information and real-world action. Think of it as detective work, but instead of clues, you work with numbers, charts, and algorithms. In the U.S., data scientists make $120,000 to $155,000 per year, and senior experts can cross $200K plus. Why so high? Because every business, from finance to healthcare to sports, needs people who can turn data into profit. Programming: learn Python and SQL. These are your core tools. Data visualization: master tools like Power BI or Tableau. Statistics and math: understand probability, regression, and correlation. Machine learning basics: build models that predict outcomes. Business knowledge: understand the industry you work in. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe Bright Learn Education for more related content.